Good morning. I hope you're having a great day. So it is going to be a windy day, and unfortunately it's coming from a direction I can't put a sight on. So I've kind of set up my table. I do have all my $10 bouquets because they'll blow over in these buckets. I really hope these glass ones don't blow over. We will see. Here's a look. Everything's just kind of tucked in because it is windy. For $10 bouquets, I did red and yellow, peachy, and a little yellow lisianthus because some of the peach asters have yellow in the middle. White, yellow, and the maroon burgundy. Purple. Kind of a white and a red and a peachy color. This one back here is orange and yellow. Pink. Multicolored. Purple. Some pink. And another pink. Hello! So I already said good morning. I hope you're having a great day, I believe, at the farmer's market. But it is a new day. I had to run out to the farm early because I had a bouquet delivery early today. So I will show you that bouquet up on the screen. I'm really loving these fall bouquets, especially with the darker colored sunflowers, some zinnias, the yellow lisianthus, and like the orange and yellow snapdragons. I just love them. I think they're gorgeous. So it must be the season because if you remember, I could not make an orange bouquet to save my life when it was the summertime. And now that it's getting near fall and people are getting their fall vibes on, I'm having a lot of fun making them and finding ways to make them really cute in the arrangements. But to give you a recap of the sunflower bouquets that sold first off, I wanted everyone to know I posted it on Facebook, and a lot of people were picking the orange zinnias with the white snapdragon bouquet. But then, and I had picked the teddy bear sunflower that had like the bright purples and stuff. I think it was actually number one this week. I think it was actually the number one that I showed you. So that was my favorite. And then a lot of people started liking or loving that picture because I had 3 pictures on there. And I didn't have all the bouquets on there, but they started liking it. So I think that means that more people liked that one in the end. But at the beginning, I was like, oh my gosh, like it's the orange zinnias with the white snapdragons for the win. But I think that one died down towards the end. But anyway, the very first bouquet to go at the market was number 5. Number 5. Well, the first one to go was the one with the brown sunflower in it. It had the brown sunflower right up front. It was really pretty. And actually the girl that came and bought it, after she saw my Facebook post, she thought she was getting number 1. So the one that I'd picked in the picture. But in person, she came up and she was like, oh, this one's like so much prettier. And she really liked that one. So it goes to show that even when you see a picture on social media, like seeing it in person must be a totally different experience, because then she went ahead and grabbed number 5. The next one to go was number 4, which that one I didn't have done when I did the Facebook post. And I actually made the smaller little, I got some small vases and I wrapped them with burlap. and I thought they were super cute. And the vase was a lot shorter, but the bouquet was just as tall, and it allowed me to put some of my shorter lisianthus in it, because those taller vases I can't really, because when the water goes down, you know, people see water in the vase and they don't realize that some of the stems aren't in the water because not all the stems are touching the ground. So I really like those small vases for that reason, because then they do keep them watered and can see the water levels are low. And I can use some of those shorter lisianthus. And I thought this bouquet was absolutely gorgeous. I loved it. And the funny thing about that is every time I pick out a favorite bouquet, my dad comes and that's the one he buys at the farmer's market. So I think we must have a similar taste. Number 4. I had picked number 1 as my favorite, but then after I made that one, I was like, oh gosh, it's close. And I think that one's gonna last a lot longer because it has the lisianthus and the snapdragons, and those flowers just tend to last longer than sunflowers. So he snatched up that one, which was awesome. And then number 1 went. Number 1. Number 3. Number 3. And then probably the most summery looking one, but I thought it was super adorable. I love the yellows and the whites, and it was the last to go at the farmer's market. Number 2. And 1 remains. But the farmer's market was a successful day. I had a good time. The rain was going to come in, so luckily I had sold all of my expensive bouquets. I had a couple $10 ones, but I'd stole a couple flowers from them to make a couple more $10 ones look a little bit better, and then they sold. So I just went ahead and took those home, put them on a vase for myself, and got out of there before the storm rolled in. It was about 11:30, and I saw all the other vendors doing it too. So it was a good day at the farmer's market. I'm having a lot of fun with the fall colors. Next year, I definitely need to plan better. I just did successions of zinnias, and I didn't really think about colors. I just, you know, because I just have mixed packets, so I can't really do that. So I think I am going to contact my seed company, which I've already done my seed order, and see if I can't just order like packets of the fall colors, just so that when I succession plant my very last succession, it's mainly fall colors, because I'm finding it's really hard now to use up the pinks and stuff like the pink summery colors. Those are a lot harder to use this time of year. But anyway, that was the farmer's market. I did run out here. I have to run into town and deliver this bouquet, and I'll just see if I get a lot done. I've been trying to take a little bit of Sundays and just have it as a relaxing good time. And the flowers are blooming. And let's go look at how much rain we got. It looks like we got 1 inch. The land will be happy. It does look like I'm starting to get a little bit taller on the lisianthus, so that's awesome. I'm wanting some of those tall ones. And look at all those yellow ones at the end. Those are going to be perfect for fall. I hope some of these purple ones up front rebound, because those are also perfect for fall. The ageratum's looking lovely again. Some sunflowers bloomed. We've got some teddy bears and stuff over there. It looks like I need to cut. A lot of snapdragons. Flowers just really liked that rain. Some of the sunflowers are still pumping out. They're a lot shorter, but they're still pretty. So I made my little mug of flowers. I had some picking of tomatoes to do today.